Hello everyone, I am Kunjan Jan and welcome to my channel IELTS platform. Today I am going to share a cue card with all of you, which is a May to August 2020 cue card, as finally the exams in India have opened up, and especially in Punjab from July 16th. So let us see the cue card topic for today. Describe an ideal house or apartment you would like to live in. Yes. Before beginning with the cue hints, I want to tell you one thing, because this is an apartment you would like to live in, means your dream home, right? So fill in all your feelings that you have for your home, how you view it into this cue card. This should turn out to be the best cue card if it comes to you, right? And everybody is going to have a different version of this cue card. For example, I have my own version, although I have tried to keep it a generalized cue card, but still, if you give it your own version, it would turn out to be really well. So let's see the cues or the hints for the topic. Where it is means the location, what it looks like, its of course look, what features it would have, all the features, rooms, kitchen, entrance, facade, everything. Explain why it would be ideal for you, right? Why it is a dream, because it is a dream home, so that is why it would be ideal for you, of course. So let's see how we are going to prepare the topic. Yes, ideal house. Because I am living in Ludhiana and I have no intentions of moving abroad, so my location is going to be Ludhiana. But as you people aspire to go abroad, there can be two things. Either you can have your dream home in your hometown where you belong to, so that whenever you come back from abroad, you be in that home, right? Or you can have your dream home in the location or at the location where you want to shift, whichever country you want to shift, so you can write that country here. Next, contemporary home. Contemporary means modern. Yes, of course, because you are living in a modern world, so your home is going to be contemporary. But if you want to give it a traditional look, you can write traditional home or you can write conventional home. Next is independent house. Independent house means it will be owned only by you and there will be no other person other than your family members who will be present in this house. Now, what I want in my house, 4 rooms and 4 washrooms. Then worship room I want. Next, modular furniture. Again, if you want to have traditional furniture, you can write traditional furniture, or you can write old style furniture. Then painted in white color, you can give any paint of your choice color. Attractive facade. Facade means the front of the house that everybody sees, whether you know that person, whether that person knows you or whether that person doesn't know you, but everybody can see the outer side of your home whenever they cross by your home. So that is the outer side, the front, that is facade, right? So let's see how we are going to speak the topic. Thank you for the cue card. It is very well said that a home is where the heart is. And yes, my heart would definitely reside in my dream home. I want my dream home to be located in Ludhiana, as I am currently residing in Ludhiana and my future plans are to be here only. So I want to have my dream home in the city where I am residing, that is Ludhiana. I want this home to be a modular and a conventional home equipped with all the facilities, be it a modular kitchen, be there a worship room, or be there attached washrooms with the bedrooms. So I want to make it the best for me, so that whenever I want any facility, I have it with me in my home. As in my present home, I do feel that yes, there are some drawbacks or there are some things that I miss out. So I want to fill in all those loopholes that I feel in my present home. My dream home would be an independent home where all my family members would reside with me. It will be painted in white color. At the entrance, there will be a beautiful door and there will be a garden on the left where I would plant some beautiful plants of colorful flowers that give beautiful aroma and make the passers really happy, as plants do create a positive impact in everybody's mind. The facade of my home is going to be so attractive that everybody who crosses by my home turns around and gives it a look and appreciates it. So that is how I want my dream home to be, and it would be ideal for me because it would provide me all the facilities, it would provide me all the comforts that I want in my home. Thank you.